Today I will show you some final tests before we start testing this new device for UFO physics. We'll have 6 wire coils around the bottom, given 3-phase power as UVW, UVW. We have 2 sets of magnets, 16 magnets on this outer flywheel arranged as NN, SS all the way around, and a single disc magnet in the middle that's rising up. And these will be on a ball bearing so they can spin around the outside. You can see that in the crop picture here. 16 little magnets like that, spinning on a ball bearing. That's what these are going to do. And then through the center, we have a disc magnet like that will be rising up on a pole. And that's what this is going to do. And we're going to look at those magnets and see how they spin and characterize the physics before we do the final testing. I would like to show you here the force that makes a UFO rise up. It's all due to a magnet in the center which spins and rises like a top by pushing against the vacuum of space, which you can't see. To make it spin, we have 6 wire coils. We're going to call them UVW, UVW, arranged in series with 3-phase power. We're going to turn on the 3-phase power from a little device, and you see the magnet will start to spin at the center. It's not rising up yet, but it's wobbling. So it's not spinning flat, but it's actually pushing against space as it wiggles like a precessing top. As we go faster, put more power in, you can see it rises up. Oh! Came right off. Now, is that magnet really pushing against the vacuum of space as it rises up, or is it pushing against the pole like some kind of friction? Well, we can spray the pole extensively with liquid Teflon like that. I've done quite a lot already. So there's no possible friction now. This thing's slimy. You turn on the magnet again, the power, start spinning again on the slippery pole. And again you can see it rises right up. Oh, went off. So that's the force that makes a UFO rise up. Now we just saw a magnet rise up at the center on that pole, but we can also put a stainless steel tube around that pole with a non-magnetic bearing made of zirconia oxide, and 8 magnets arranged as NS, 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 and they're 30 millimeters each. And we turn on the power from those 6 wire coils. It makes like a little track on which the magnets can spin, a magnetic track. And they spin opposite the way the other magnet's going because they're arranged as NS, NS, NS rather than all as N. And so it's called counterspin relative to the magnet we just saw spinning. Finally, instead of placing 8 magnets around the outside of this flywheel as NS, 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 quite large 30 millimeter magnets, we can use 20 millimeter magnets like this, which are lighter, and use 16 of them, twice as many. And they'll be arranged as NNSS, NNSS, and so on. The advantage of this is they're a bit lighter, and also they spin and start very easily to make a counterclockwise motion opposite the rotating magnetic field, at least as well as the 8. So both of these are quite attractive possibilities to make counterspin to cancel Newtonian forces in UFO levitation.